that I was spared like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on-feet look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Howards. These things, in my opinion, are fire. It's not the ones that we thought. I think the ones that we kind of expected, but nonetheless, still a dope sneaker. But before we get off into this detailed look in this on-feet, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. So, the sneaker that we thought that we were going to get, or that I thought we were going to get, is the one that you see on the screen. This is the one I thought that we was going to get. But, you know, I know it's kind of limited and kind of exclusive or whatever. And then they hit us with these. And I wasn't mad at it because I do like these as well. The great thing about these sneakers, along with a lot of other sneakers that we're reviewing, is that they are very much affordable and available. But as we take a look at the sneaker, as we look at the left sneaker, the exterior, you have your traditional Air Jordan 1. This is the OG cut, which is super dope. But you have this blue tumbled leather on the toe box. The red Nike swoosh, not a big fan of right there on the toe box, but it doesn't just take away anything aesthetically from this sneaker. But as we go around the sneaker, the side panel is a white. It is not a sail colorway. That is your pure white. But on the midsole, they do give us a little bit of that vintage sail look that Nike loves so much. And then going all the way around the shoe, we do have that blue Nike swoosh, and the leather on there is pretty tumbled, real nice. And then as we look at the back end of the sneaker, they hit us with that red colorway with the Blue Wings logo, super nice. On the right sneaker, as you guys can see, it is the exact same thing, nothing different. Toe box wise, y'all see right there, we do have that red Nike Air on the tongue, and then the tongue is like a sail colorway right here. It's a little bit more of like a peaches hue. They do give us white laces stock in the sneaker. So they do give us another set, and I'll show you guys that here in a second. In the side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here. But overall, when we talk about these things, I think that they are fire, in my opinion. I love the color blocking, but when we talk about sizing of them, all Jordan 1 lows, OG cuts, not just your traditional Jordan 1s. I'm talking about your lows. I'm talking about your Jordan 1 low OG cuts. In my opinion, half a size down. They will fit good. They'll be perfect or true to size. Do not go any size bigger. No matter what anybody tell you, that you're going to be swimming in these things. They do give you a lot of room. I don't know if it's just because the low cut, but definitely do not go any size up. True to size or half a size down. As far as comfortability goes, if you wore a Jordan 1 low, you wore a Jordan 1 high, exact same thing. Y'all already know. I'm a Jordan 1 guy, so I'm going to say 7.5 when it comes to comfort. Overall, aesthetically, the colorway, the material, everything like that, if I'm going to rank this sneaker, I'm definitely going to give it a 8 overall. Super clean sneaker, definitely a versatile shoe, not bad at all. And I think if this would have been another Jordan 1 that would have dropped in the past, definitely would have been a banger and sold out. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box in the sneaker up close, and we're gonna close out this video. All right, so for the box, we have a standard Jordan 1 low box. It just have that cream colorway with the navy blue Nike Air branding on it. It is a gloss finish box. Here's the size tag. Like I said, this is a size 11. I do go a half a size down when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 lows. As we open up this box, as you guys can see right here, nothing but the white paper in there, and I don't see any quality control sticker within this box. When it comes to the laces, you do have one set of laces, extra pair of laces, going to be a navy blue pair. It does come in this Jordan 1 box like this, cardboard box. So if you see them any other way, then they're probably reps or fakes. You feel what I'm saying? So make sure you guys do have that cardboard box. All in all, just a super clean sneaker. Leather quality is pretty good, as you guys can see right here as we zoom in close onto that Nike swoosh, and as we look at that toe box. Not bad material, but you can see the tumbled leather along the side of that blue right there. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions are about these. They are not reselling for much. Super affordable sneaker, in my opinion, and I just feel like it's just a great colorway. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, are y'all messing with these or not. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can